coming out with a steady set of Q3 numbers, revenue in line with estimates, net profit up 35% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, exceeding what the street was expecting. Margins too coming in at 11.8%, almost 200 basis points above the expectations of the street. WIPRO also, remember, announced that they will be issuing a bonus, one share for every 3 shares held. Before I take it across to my colleague Rahul Dayama, let's hear out the management and then Rahul with the key takeaways.
I think overall the demand environment, as I said, is quite stable. We are winning our share of business. This quarter also we've won a significant amount of what we call as large deals. We have had a good order book. So I don't see any major issue with the demand environment. There are 2 risks that we are monitoring carefully. One is the macroeconomic voices that we hear, and it impacts some of our customers as they have announced their results. And the second area is the demand fulfillment from a simple, demand-supply gap that exists in the talent, and our ability to fulfill and then convert it into revenue. So both of that has been also incorporated in the guidance.
All right, let's also take it across to my colleague Rahul with the key takeaways. Rahul?
Mixed set of numbers by Wipro, especially when we've seen TCS and Infosys post a better set of numbers. While the revenue has come in line, it's definitely a beat as far as margins and PAT is concerned. But the big disappointment really has come in as part of the guidance for Q4, because while the street was penciling in a conservative 1 to 3% revenue guidance for the fourth quarter, Wipro has guided for a flat to 2%. While I did ask the management about why the caution, Abid Ali, the CEO, indicated while the macroeconomic headwinds will not impact near term, there are some issues as far as the healthcare vertical is concerned and tech vertical that have been sort of lagging behind. So it's still some time for the efforts to start paying off. They have also announced a bonus issue as part of the earnings, but as far as the management commentary is concerned, they remained pretty upbeat as far as the demand environment is concerned. They say across Europe and US, the demand seems stable. BFSI has also performed well for them this quarter. Going ahead, it'd be interesting to see what will Wipro do to really ensure that they come back to industry matching, if not leading growth rates. That seems like will take some more time for the IT major. So Wipro, they're mixed out of numbers, but the big disappointment as far as the revenue guidance for Q4 is concerned.